Who knew your kitchen cabinet could rival the pharmacy aisle? Turns out, the answer to your sugar cravings might be sitting right next to the paprika. Ladies, let's talk cravings. You're doing great all day, balanced meals, maybe even a walk, and then 8 p.m. hits and suddenly, a voice from the pantry whispers, just one cookie, and that one cookie turns into a cookie cake situation. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Sugar cravings, especially during and after menopause, are real. Blame it on hormonal shifts, stress, or even old habits, but the good news? Nature gave us tools to help. And the best part? You probably already have them at home. Today, we're turning your spice rack into a natural blood sugar and craving-fighting pharmacy. Let's dive into the top 5 herbs that help curb cravings without white-knuckling your way past the candy bowl. First up, our golden queen, turmeric. Turmeric isn't just good for inflammation or making your latte Instagram-worthy. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, which is key when you're trying to keep cravings in check. Why? Because unstable blood sugar levels create that crash and crave cycle. Turmeric helps smooth out those spikes, which means fewer must-have sugar now moments. Bonus? It also supports mood, joints, and skin. A triple win for us fabulous 50-plus women who want to glow inside and out. How to use it? Try adding turmeric to soups, stews, or as a warm bedtime golden milk with cinnamon and black pepper. We've got a whole video on that, too. Next up, sweet and spicy cinnamon, Mother Nature's secret weapon for your sweet tooth. Cinnamon has been shown to slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract and improve insulin sensitivity. Translation? It keeps your blood sugar steady, and steady blood sugar means fewer cravings. And here's a tip, it gives your food that warm, sweet flavor without actually adding sugar. Win-win. How to use it? Sprinkle on your morning oats, yogurt, or even in your coffee. Go for Ceylon cinnamon if you can, it's gentler on the liver for long-term use. Now this one's less mainstream, but fenugreek is a true underdog hero. Used for centuries in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking, fenugreek seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Even more amazing? Fenugreek can help reduce appetite, especially those hunger pangs that feel urgent and sugary. How to use it? You can brew fenugreek tea, sprinkle the seeds on salads, or take it as a supplement. Just talk to your doctor if you're on medication, as it can interact with diabetes meds. Oh, ginger. She's not just for upset stomachs and holiday cookies. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and blood sugar regulator. Studies have shown that ginger can reduce fasting blood glucose and even improve HbA1c levels over time. Plus, if you're an emotional eater, and let's be honest, who hasn't been, ginger helps soothe the gut-brain connection, keeping cortisol, that stress hormone, in check. How to use it? Add fresh grated ginger to hot water with lemon, toss into stir-fries, or mix into smoothies. It adds zest and healing in one go. Last but definitely not least, bitter melon. Now, don't let the name scare you, it's not dessert, but it might help you skip dessert. Bitter melon has long been used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine as a natural glucose-lowering agent. It contains compounds that mimic insulin and help cells absorb glucose more effectively. Basically, it acts like nature's blood sugar coach. How to use it? You can juice it, with lemon to cut the bitterness, sauté it in dishes, or take it in capsule form. Again, check in with your doctor if you're on medication, bitter melon is potent. Now, herbs are powerful, but they're part of a bigger picture. To truly tame those sugar cravings, especially in your second act, try combining these herbs with balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Daily movement, even a brisk 10-minute walk helps. Good sleep, yes, fatigue makes you crave sugar. Stress relief, hello, deep breaths and journaling. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Cravings aren't a character flaw. They're signals. These herbs simply help us respond more wisely. So, next time a sugar craving strikes, remember, you have allies in your spice rack. Turmeric, cinnamon, fenugreek, ginger, and bitter melon, all backed by generations of wisdom and modern science. And remember, my lovely second act sisters. You don't need to give up sweetness in life, you just need to find the right kind. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with a friend who's battling sugar cravings, and drop a comment below. Which of these herbs have you used? Do you have any family recipes or remedies to share? Let's bring the Spice Rack Pharmacy back to life, together.